Synthetic fraud is a type of identity theft in which criminals create fake identities using a mix of real and fake information. They may use stolen social security numbers, dates of birth, and addresses to create new credit accounts, open bank accounts, and even apply for loans. Welcome to Varindia News Hour. Synthetic fraud fueled by Frankenstein identities is the hardest to detect and quickly accounting for the highest percentage of fraud losses, primarily involving credit cards and unsecured lending portfolios. Synthetic fraud is quite different from the traditional identity theft, and cyber scammers create Frankenstein identities. Instead of stealing a real identity, scammers create a fake identity using a real and or unused social security number. Combine the social security number with a fictitious name, driver's license, and physical address to form the Frankenstein identity. Synthetic fraud is increasing rapidly, and it is now the fastest growing financial crime in the United States. According to a report by LexisNexis Risk Solutions, synthetic fraud losses are expected to reach $30 billion by 2025. This type of fraud is increasingly common and largely targets older adults who lost $588 million to tech support scams in 2022, according to the Federal Bureau of Investigation. Criminals pursued victims. They have a serious computer issue such as a virus, then masquerade as computer technicians from well-known companies as a cover for theft. Often, they persuade victims to wire funds to fraudulent accounts. As per the report, Americans 60 and older lost $3.1 billion to cyber fraud in 2022, an 84% increase from 2021, according to the FBI. Losses have jumped ninefold in just 5 years, from $342 million in 2017, FBI data shows. Because fraud statistics are based only on reported incidents, its true scope may be far greater. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning, combined with big data analytics and high performance computing applications, can process larger volumes of data from various sources and data sets, which is structured, unstructured, and semi structured. There are technologies like AI and ML. One can achieve higher scalability by processing large scale data types containing media data, image data, and object data to spot trends and patterns across disparate data sets. Financial institutions can predict and capture synthetic fraud scammers early in the process by applying accelerated deep learning and statistical machine learning technologies. Let's look into today's headlines. Xiaomi to replace MIUI with MIOS. According to rumors, Xiaomi intends to replace its MIUI Android skin with the MIOS user interface. The announcement is made 13 years after MIUI's debut. It's unclear if MIOS will be a brand new operating system built on top of Android or just an Android skin. The change is said to solve MIUI's weaknesses with regard to animation effects. Vivo and Transition Holdings to be included in the rollable smartphone competition. By the end of next year, Vivo and Transition Holdings hope to introduce smartphones with rollable screens, potentially surpassing Samsung. In September of last year, Transition Holdings presented the Phantom Ultimate prototype with a rollable display. The 6.55-inch screen of the Techno Phantom Ultimate can be expanded to 7.11 inches by pressing a button. Comparable designs have also been offered by Motorola, Samsung, LG, and TCL. Juniper Networks boosts intent-based multi-vendor networking solution. In order to make the deployment and management of private data center infrastructures easier, Juniper Networks has introduced new Juniper Apstra capabilities. with even more management features that make private data centers as flexible and agile to operate as cloud based infrastructures. Juniper clients can continue to choose Apstra as the leading solution for intent based networking and automated data center assurance. AMD to acquire Nod.ai, an open source AI software expert. AMD has announced the signing of a definite agreement to acquire Nod.ai to expand the company's open AI software capabilities. The addition of Nod.ai will bring an experienced team that has developed an industry leading software technology that accelerates the deployment of AI solutions optimized for AMD Instinct data center accelerators, Ryzen AI processors, EPUIC processors, Versal SoCs, and Radeon GPUs to AMD. RBI orders Bank of Baroda to stop onboarding new customers through BOB Vault app. The Reserve Bank of India has directed Bank of Baroda to stop onboarding new customers through its digital banking application BOB Vault. This action is based on certain material supervisory concerns observed in the manner of onboarding of their customers into this mobile application. The Bank of Baroda has already carried out corrective measures to address the concerns highlighted by the RBI and taking further steps to plug any remaining gaps. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.